Hello. Today I'm at Burrington Ham. I've not been here before, so there's every possibility I'm going to get lost. It's been raining quite a lot. There's a little car park down by the main road. That was interesting. It's only like a mud kind of hard standing sort of thing, and there was like a couple of people there just sat in their cars, and I'm like, whoa, they're a bit dodgy. It's a bit early for doggers, so I'm not quite sure what they were doing, just sat there doing nothing. Anyway, I've left my car there, it should be fine. I'm always amazed, 5 minutes off the main road and you can find yourself a nice quiet tranquil spot or a nice place to go walking. I've got no idea what these purpley type flowers are, but they look absolutely beautiful. There's supposed to be some old earthwork somewhere of an old settlement, so I thought I'd go and have a look. I just put my phone on to get some bearings on an Ordnance Survey map. I had a notification that I've got another new subscriber. So I'd just like to say, NJP2K9, I appreciate that, and I appreciate all of you out there. I've made it up to the top of the settlement. And there's quite a lot of rocks. Oh. It's been a nice walk. Time for some lunch. I brought along one of these ration heaters. And I've also got a biryani and a tofu paneer. Starting to get stupidly windy up here. I hope it's not affecting the sound too much. There we go. There he goes. Forgot to mention, I bought up a foil pouch which I've made out of building material, that reflective type stuff. It's got loads of uses. That should keep him nice and toasty in there. Hope everybody's getting on okay out there. I've been working on my other channel as well, my workshop channel. I'll put a link in the description below if you're interested in that. I'm going to kind of work on that and try and put out one video a week. I'm not sure how hot it's going to be. I kind of made the mistake of letting this run for a bit before I put it in the sleeve. Lukewarm. The rice is hot though. That's a fair old meal of curry and rice. I think next time what I do is pack the heating element in between the two packets so they get even heat, and then put it in something to keep it warm straight away. There can't be that many people who've brought curry and rice up to the top of here. Washing up's a breeze. Lovely job. Well, I enjoyed that and I'm all tidied up, so it's time to head off. I was quite pleased with myself. I thought I haven't made a mess at all. And then I realised I've got it down me. I guess I'm officially a food magnet. There's a few people starting to gather up there now, so I thought I'd push on. Well, we made it back, and I'm sweating like a pig at a hog roast. You might be able to hear the car park's not as quiet as when I left it. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. I appreciate your support. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. InfoZhed out.